Hey YouTube, today we're doing an oil change on a 2017 Jeep Cherokee with the 3.2 liter V6. So you'll need 5.6 liters of oil, or 5. You'll need your oil filter, a 24 millimeter socket for the oil filter housing, a 13 millimeter for your drain plug, and you'll obviously need an oil pan. So we'll get started. Under the vehicle is the oil drain pan, or oil pan, sorry. That's where your 13 millimeter is, so we're gonna break that off. We'll let that drain now. Alright, so drain plug's back in, tightened. Now we'll do the oil filter. So it's already loose in here, like I said. Without the oil filter. Fairly dry. Well, the new one should come with an O-ring, which it does. So put the new one on now, after extreme difficulty getting the old one off. That's on. Just want to make sure there's a coat of oil on it. Make sure the seal doesn't bind up when it's being tightened. Stick this in. Do the same with this O-ring. Just so it turns freely like this while you're tightening down this. So I can put that in now. And hand tighten it. No need to over tighten these. You will break them if you do. Sorry. All good and tight. Now we're ready to put the oil in the car. Alright, so got our oil. We're using Mobil 1 full synthetic 5W20. So we got the last liter here, put 900 milliliters of it in. Okay, so clean up your mess if you make one, like I do, and we'll start the car and check the level. Alright, so the car's full. We'll go into the vehicle. I'm going to take it off the ramps, but at the same time I'm going to reset the oil reminder. So now what you do, take your foot off the brake, put your car in accessory mode. There's oil level reset. Okay, hold OK. So you hold the OK button and you pump your gas pedal 3 times. Now it's 100%. So go ahead and start the vehicle again. Now you're good. It's reset. So we'll go out, I'll check the level, but this is the oil change and that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for future videos.